How many of you know how to use Perplexity's browser Comet in the right way? So if you see over here, when you have your Perplexity browser open Comet, there is something called as Assistant, and I'm just showcasing how to use that. Let's take a look. Now we can ask it over here, and just like ChatGPT, Perplexity also have a dictation module, which says, hey, can you please check this New York Times and give me the top news that is happening over here. So let's send it off. So now if you see, I don't have to copy paste, I don't have to do anything. It is already doing it over here. So I showcase, like, in order to summarize a web page, you can, you don't have to copy paste it. You can just ask to the assistant right then and there. And what we also did was we asked it to take control of our browser and do something else for us. Let's see. I don't want the New York Times news. Can you take control of my browser and open a new tab where we can see the news of Times of India maybe? It is already taken me to Times of India. All right. So I did not type a word. However, Perplexity took control of my browser and it created a new tab. How cool is that? AI can do stuff for you. You're not just talking to AI. And after this, what we did was we asked it to do something more difficult. Hey, navigate to the entertainment tab of this and show me the first 3 top stories in the entertainment sector. It took the control of the browser. You see the blue thing? The blue screen, it means that Comet has control. Comet has possessed it. I'm not doing anything. Comet has already opened the Times Entertainment and is showing us that. So we showcased how Perplexity can take control of your browser. And last, we showed the capabilities of Perplexity's voice agent. So let's see that. If you see the last part over here, there is something called as voice mode. Hello.
Hi there. How can I assist you today?
Hey, I just did a demo on voice agents. However, I remember someone called as Sandeep Patharkar had created a voice demo on JARVIS on YouTube. Can you navigate to that page and pull that out? Take that video and show it to me on the browser screen, please.
I'm so excited to show you my personal AI assistant, JARVIS. Now I need to introduce myself.
And that's how it can even do navigation for you. It can search things for you, and we proved that. So yeah, thank you. I hope you liked the Perplexity demo.